If a certain amount of money is transferred cashlessly from one person to another, it's possible to track the identities of both the sender and the receiver. Name, age, address, the money source, even the transaction history of each person can be searched if necessary. With cash, it's difficult to identify the sender and the receiver. The money source and the cash flow is also difficult to follow.
There has already several restrictions for cash payments among businesses. However, no limit has been put on cash payments for individuals.
It's crucial to set a limit for cash payments. Transactions that exceed such a limit must be done via bank accounts. The government, the ministries and other state agencies such as hospitals and schools should make more of an effort so that the whole country will be using cashless payments by the end of 2019.
At the moment, there's still much work to do because currently the rate of cashless payment is only 14%. For cashless payment to really become popular, it requires synchronized changes at many levels and include the help of the police, the information and communication sector, the treasury, and the resources sector.